Lightning strikes and then it's gone. You were born in a lightning storm. Though lightning need not predict rain, you must have had your share of pain. I doubt if you make 23 still feels like a tragedy, but you never lost your dignity, and you always seemed like you were free. We're all just travelers passing through. It's who we are, it's what we do. And if there is a reason why, I guess we'll know it by and by. While I was searching for the light, revelations and insight, you passed through here like a meteorite, briefly lighting up the night. Lightning bolts and shooting stars, can't help wondering where you are. I saw you dancing in the skies, then disappear before my eyes. And though you didn't dance for long, you're still dancing in this song, just like you're dancing in my mind. It's how it is with the traveling kind.